Welcome to Automotive Reviews TV, your trusted destination for expert vehicle insights and in-depth analysis. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and technologically advanced tractors in the modern agricultural world, the 2025 Massey Ferguson 8700S series. This isn't just a tractor. It's a symbol of performance, comfort, and innovation designed to meet the demands of the most intensive farming operations. In this detailed review, we'll walk you through everything from the exterior design and interior features to performance specs and pricing. Let's begin with the exterior of the 2025 Massey Ferguson 8700S series. At first glance, this tractor commands respect. It features a bold and aggressive front fascia with sharp lines and an aerodynamic hood design that's as functional as it is stylish. The signature Massey Ferguson red body with silver accents and the iconic triple triangle logo make a strong visual statement. The wide stance and massive Michelin Axiobib 2 rear tires not only enhance its appearance, but also contribute to improved traction and reduced soil compaction. You'll notice that the MF8700S comes equipped with high-intensity LED lighting, providing full 360-degree visibility during night operations or in low-light conditions. From the side, you can appreciate the sheer scale and engineering of the machine. Hydraulic connections, air lines, and the reinforced frame are all designed with durability and efficiency in mind. A closer look at the rear reveals the advanced 3-point hitch system and PTO shaft, which are capable of lifting and operating the heaviest implements with ease. The rear view also clearly displays the model badge, MF8700S, proudly labeled on the fender, making it unmistakable in the field or the showroom. Now, let's step inside the cabin, the heart of operator comfort and control. The interior of the 8700S series is surprisingly luxurious for a tractor, featuring the spacious Massey Ferguson panoramic cab. With 360-degree visibility, this cab offers an unobstructed view of your surroundings, which is critical when working with large machinery or implements. The operator's seat is air-suspended, fully adjustable, and includes heating options. To the right, you'll find a well-organized control armrest that houses the joystick, throttle, and hydraulic controls within easy reach. The Datatronic 5 touchscreen terminal stands out at the center, a 9-inch color display that controls everything from field mapping and auto guidance to implement management and diagnostics. Everything in the cabin is designed with ergonomics in mind. The materials feel premium with rubberized controls, soft touch surfaces, and an intuitive layout that minimizes fatigue during long work days. Massey Ferguson's attention to detail in creating a quiet, climate-controlled environment makes this one of the most operator-friendly tractors on the market. Moving on to performance, the 8700S series is powered by an 8.4-liter AGCO Power 6-cylinder engine. Depending on the model variant, power ranges from 270 to a massive 405 horsepower. This engine is built not only for raw strength, but also for efficiency, thanks to advanced fuel management systems and Stage V emissions compliance. The DynaVD transmission offers seamless, stepless speed control, allowing for smooth transitions and maximum efficiency without needing to shift gears. With engine power management, EPM, operators can access an additional boost of up to 30 horsepower when needed, especially during heavy PTO or transport applications. The tractor's hydraulic system is equally impressive, featuring a high-capacity load-sensing pump that delivers up to 205 liters per minute of flow. This ensures that all hydraulic functions, including multiple spool valves and lift operations, are performed smoothly and without lag. Whether you're pulling a wide cultivator, powering a baler, or handling front loader tasks, the 8700S delivers relentless performance with precision control. In terms of technology, the MF8700S is equipped with MF Guide auto steering, MF Connect telematics, and full ISOBUS compatibility, making it one of the most advanced tractors available. These systems not only help in reducing operator error and fatigue, but also enhance productivity and reduce input costs over time. Let's talk pricing. The base model MF8700S MF727S starts at around $250,000, while the top-end MF8740S can go up to $350,000, depending on configuration and regional options. While that may seem like a steep investment, the value it delivers in terms of fuel savings, reduced downtime, and increased productivity makes it a smart choice for large-scale operators. To sum it up, the 2025 Massey Ferguson 8700S series is more than just a tractor. It's a complete field management solution. From its muscular build and luxurious cab to the powerful engine and smart tech integration, it stands out as a leader in high-horsepower farming equipment. Thanks for watching Automotive Reviews TV. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.